cold. We do. Hi! We're back this week doing PPF Geon paint protection film on this massive van. It's huge, massive, 30 odd meters of material. I think I ordered too much as well because it's almost done and we're not even opened the second box. So yeah, matte PPF, matte paint protection film on a gloss black van. So it's like stealthed out, like ninja mode. We're not wrapping this week, we're paint protection filming, which is probably a bit boring to watch because it's really going to look similar, just different shade of black. But if you want to learn how to do PPF or you want some tips and tricks along the way, like what I'm doing now, then watch this video and remember to subscribe, please. This is just being a bitch.
No swearing.
That's not a swear word. It's just not going in. I need some heat. The heat is going on, so you're not going to be able to hear me. I'll do this bit as a voiceover and we'll mute the heater out. Okay, so we are spraying PPF. We are hanging PPF. I don't know what Willow's doing in the back there. Okay, so squeegeeing. You can go left or right, you can go up or down, whatever works, whatever floats your boat. And now I'm just feeding the PPF into the recess, spraying some tack, and just continuing to work on the corner. So steaming the recess just so it softens the PPF, which would allow us to get the material stuck in the recess like that. Talking to Will about something, couldn't tell you what it possibly was. And continuing to work down. So again, squeegeeing, tacking the material on the corner there. And you might be asking, why is it so hard to go in there? Because it's wet. It's not like wrap, it's wet. And it was too cold in here. Gotta have the right temperature when doing PPF. We're just squeezing out the water into the top of this. It's like a channel, like a panel join at the top. And that's where we're gonna join the PPF for this bit and this bit. That way you don't have a big joint down the side. You definitely gotta be a patient individual to do PPF.
I don't know, when I watch you do it, to me, it almost looks easier.
Don't say therapeutic.
No, easier than the wrapping does in some cases.
Depends if you're qualified. Are you qualified?
No.
No. Depends how good you are at wrapping.
Well, you make PPF look easier than wrapping. So what's that?
Stop picking on me. You can't put fairy liquid in it. Or your bathroom soap. Correct solutions only. Yeah, look, see? And that is good to go. That panel is done. So we got the squeegee under the corner of the wing there, top tip, there you go, so you don't burn anything when you use the micro jets. And then just working our way around the passenger wing, just trimming up all of the areas, tucking it in as we go until it's completed. Do do do. What are you doing?
Yeah, it's not great, but...
Well, I need the light.
Do you want to look beautiful, or do you want to be able to see what you're doing? You can't have both. 3M1, yeah?
A big pocket. We're gonna need some heat, that's for sure. We're gonna need some tack solution. That's what this is. This is distilled water going in the hole with a bit of steam and a bit of heat. We will be able to start. I think this squeegee's a bit big. Once this is stuck down in the middle, we can focus on getting the water out of the side holes. As you can see, I'm fighting it a bit. And do you want to know why? I'll tell you why. Because my tack solution has no ISO in it. Tack solution is distilled water. Can I have it, please? You can mix isopropanol alcohol in here. So you can do like a 30-70 mix, a 20-80. whatever you want to do. Not too strong though, because you'll damage the adhesive on the material. And that's why I don't like using it. So you can use it, there's nothing wrong with using it, but I have damaged the glue in the past on the back of the PPF. Maybe because I put too much ISO in the bottle. With distilled water, you don't have as much punch as you do if it had ISO in it. As you can see, if this had isopropanol in it, it would go down a lot easier and a lot quicker. Need to get some of the water out. Oh, there you go. And then we have to squeegee all the water out of the hole on the end. Small wrinkle, gone. Doing the bonnet. So because it's bulk fitment, do you know what bulk fitment is? Anyone in the comments? Bulk fitment is when you fit PPF like this, like have overhang everywhere, and then you trim to where you need it. The good thing with bulk fitment is you get 100% coverage. The bad thing with bulk fitment is it takes forever. It's a very, very slow process. So we need to fold the PPF all the way around the bonnet, all the way under, trimming as we go. Okay, and much the same here. So because we bulk fit the whole project, we're just working our way around, trimming it up. A glove helps. And the heat gun again just softens the material so that it will fold over nicely and stick. Wake me up when you're ready. Why am I sat here? Okay, there we go. So the big van is pretty much finished. We've still got the roof to do up there and a couple of bits to trim up. But yeah, 90% there. So if you learned anything, then congrats. If not, then we'll see you next week. But PPF is not the most exciting to watch. So it's just a clear film going on a panel on our substrate. So apologies if it wasn't the most thrilling video that we've ever done. But still, like, comment, subscribe. It's just like a job saying that, isn't it? Yeah, anyway, we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.